Triple R. Friends, I'm not talking about the film that is made by Rajamouli and acted by Ram Charan and Junior NTR. My triple R is different. It's a tip for every youngster to have a fantastic life, also fantastic career. So RRR. So let me pick up the first R. It is reading a book. The word itself indicates the booking. That means keeping you there in itself. So when you read a book, you connect with the author, you connect with their experiences. It's like consulting an expert. It's the book reading will help you, guide you, will mentor you, coach you, counsel you. It will act like a road map. It will share the various incidents and insights that can help you in dealing with the daily life challenges. Whether it is an autobiography, whether it is a novel, or whether it is a scripture, whether it is just an article, but whenever we read, we are able to match with the wavelength of the author and we are engaged in it. So, youngsters usually will have many distractions. They're attracted to many irrelevant things and they get disturbed so easily. Mood swing happens continuously. So, if you're able to involve yourself into book reading, nothing can distract you because you're already booked here. You're already involved here. I've done this. I love to read Ramakrishna Mutt books. They publish fantastic books that acts like a self-help. I love to develop my personality. And the words of Swami Vivekananda is really amazing. The second R, Swami Vivekananda once said about this. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you'll miss a fantastic person on this planet. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss the fantastic person on this planet. So, my second R is review with your own self. We need to spend some 10 to 15 minutes every day thinking about revising or it's like a recap or recollecting or remembering the things happened that day. What is that I thought of doing and what is that I have done? What was my schedule and what is that I have achieved at the end of the day? How I thought of dealing with the people, how I thought of mingling myself with others, and how am I now? And what made me happy today? What made me sad? What made me satisfied? And what distracted? So, questioning all these things will help you in reframing yourself, in transforming yourself into a better person. So, second R is review. A third R is recording. Dear friends, we are able to enjoy the songs of many great singers because it is recorded. We are able to enjoy the speech of many motivational or inspirational speakers because it is recorded. So, similarly, let's record our thoughts. Let's record our ideas. Let's record our uh, philosophy, our state of mind. People call it diary writing, people call it using a journal. I call it just notes, making a notes. So, over a day, whatever thought comes to your mind, just note it. Whatever feeling you are undergoing, just note it. Whatever you want to express it out, just note it. Whatever thinking is happening, just note it. In that way, if you are able to write the things, it will motivate you like anything. It will help you in overcoming the mood changes, mood swings, my difference. So, reading a book, reviewing the day, and recording the things that you have done. These three things, not just recording and it's writing. You have to write some affirmative words, whatever has happened. In dealing with that, you have to write some sentences. I am doing good. I am thankful for these things. So, recording the things that have happened in a day and being thankful to it and being inspired from that, it really helps you. So, hope my triple R tip will help every individual. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it to your dear ones.